Another day and the bags are packed now. So today we are actually going on an emergency leave for 4 days to India, and yeah. So I thought I don't have anything to take and go because you get everything in India nowadays, and not a proper planned one, but just realized that my bags are already full. I had all these things that I got from US, some things, chocolates, sweets, and all. Where they just yeah. So his bag is also ready here. My bag is also ready here. So stay tuned for my vlog for India, and it's just a 4 day trip. So the weird thing is that I have not traveled to India for the longest in from March till June. Normally I don't travel. The last I traveled in the month of May was for my sister's wedding. That is like 12-13 years back, I think. And now I'm going again. It's super hot during these days, and of course I'm born and brought up there, I know that, but it's difficult, because they don't switch on ACs all there, and not every place has got AC like how it is in Dubai, yeah. But then little show off, by being in Dubai. But yeah, there are a lot of things to do also, and funny part is, weird part is, again, I don't know so many people running around to do things, and but let's see. We're going to make use of every little thing that we can, do it nicely, and record everything, because this is what I want to do. That is my goal ultimately. So yes, so stay tuned. Right hand driver, left hand driver. So wherever there is left hand driving, I do it. Wherever there is right hand, we share the responsibilities. Do you agree? Of course. In Mangalore now, and weather is so hot, but some memories are so beautiful, meeting people, and people are excited to see us. I don't know, I'm a little shy that ways, and I feel that I'm antisocial, but once I sit and talk to people, then I become like I keep on talking. But yeah, the weather is super hot, like exhausted, skin is all messed up. Yeah, need more sleep. Now we're just waiting for food, because we ordered food. Rice is at home, curries are from outside because mother-in-law can't cook, and mom has cooked some sad food, so we are ordering food from outside, curries. We're going to this place called Machli just to take some parcel. It's so cold, and this is perfect. Also, I have ordered my favorite American chocolate. That's what it is. This is like so good. Come. We both doing our favorite thing. Shopping. Grocery shopping. Yeah, by the way, this place is called as
This place is called as Appankatta.
Ampankatta. Okay, and where are we going right now?
We are going towards State Bank, but there is no
Why do we
bank.
call it a state bank? Is there a state bank there?
There is no State Bank there. The only thing is that you get money and you spend it
There.
there.
Okay, this is from our
Ancestral.
Vidwan.
This is
Yeah, so he's the one who explained about State Bank, by the way. Okay, and
so
this is how
the
it is.
State Bank. One small ATM and one small branch, and rest everything it's called State Bank. But people
Yeah.
that
But the
people-
famous thing here is the market,
Market.
actually, because there's a best fish market here, like best
Fish
in
and
terms
vegetable.
of fish and vegetable, obviously.
And then there are lots of
Street vendors,
yes.
and they sell everything, like right from you name and think about kitchen related stuff, they'll get it here. All like, you know, organic, non-organic, golmal wala types, red chilies, you name it, fruits, vegetables, fish, dry fish, masala, spices, all that, like, you know. So, and in the night, normally if you come to this place, like if you go especially to the fish market, you get fish for a lesser price. They say
And the
like
fresh
that.
catch.
Yeah. Sometimes fresh, sometimes it's like morning's leftover, they give it at peanut price. Like. So whenever I travel to places and I felt this is the place. Like, so when we went to Malaysia, we felt some streets exactly like this, to be honest. Okay, of course there was no bus, but the streets look like this, like, you know, hush posh, and something like that. Well, nothing has changed here, just that it's become too crowded, too dirty.
And this place is called the Central Theatre. Why?
Theatre.
Because once upon a time there was this theatre,
Yes,
the movie theatre.
movie theatre. Yes, I watched Bobby Deol's movie there.
I
Dil Lagi
watched
Thi.
Kaho Na Pyar Hai in this,
Oh yeah.
because it was a successful run, I think, for 100 plus days.
Really? Okay. Yeah, it is somewhere here. It's demolished now. And
It's completely demolished, yeah. And this is our town hall.
This is the town hall on this side, and yeah, you can see this street people sleeping. This is the town hall. All politicians, actors, they come here and give their speeches and lectures for arm insan who's doing nothing.
It is rebuilt after ages.
So we also have this, like, you know how it is there in US and all. So we also have some monuments like this, iconic ones. It's just that they're not
Famous.
famous.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಸ ಹೊರಗೆ ಇಟ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ ನನ್ನ ಕರೀರಿ ನಾನು ಇಡ್ತೇನೆ.
And that's the dinner looking like. Rice is cooked at home, but curries are from outside again. In the afternoon also it was same, so even now it is same because it's the first day in Mangalore. It doesn't matter, but if it's first day or third day or fourth day or 10th day. Yes, and this is the tove. Mother and son teaming all the time. But it's okay. And this is my favorite chicken sukka, and this is from Machili. Actually in the afternoon also it's same. 60% of the time it is same place because we still love the food there. I don't know, the taste or something.
ಆಮಾ ಬಂದೆ.
So good. After taking rice twice, I emptied my plate, literally empty. And I can't tell how tasty this is. Literally yummy. If you're coming to Mangalore, I'm sure if you're Mangalorean, you know about this place Machili. But if you're coming for the first time, do take time and go there. It's too crowded every time. Any time of the day you go, like in the afternoon you go, it's crowded. Night also it's crowded, but worth it. So this was my day one, and I think we did a lot of things. We shopped a lot of things. We ate a lot of food. Stay tuned for day two.